Welcome back to Toga TV. I'm want to know watch a movie at the very end. I'm watching nice in the background. I do with some help or something right now because we are standing right now and see always a work. You see it. So bless up himself and watch a movie at the very end. And remember, if you want to donate anything, hit me up on the number up on the screen. Don't be afraid. Remember, it's WhatsApp only. Big up on yourself. Yeah, get up every day and I feel daily backward. Every day it's just get more irritating, more and more and more.
Alright, I'm
I know I never see what I live for.
You can't say that, bro. You can't say that. So you more
I'm telling you, I know nothing to motivate me to say, oh, get up and do that. Or get that done and get a piece of money. I never have no way to go get a piece of money. I have to beg. Me auntie or uncle every 2 weeks more to get and a sponge pan. That can't do no more making a life, more business. Yeah, idea. Buy some clothes at your own You think a good idea that?
Yeah, I think that can work, bro, but
Me and you can borrow the money, you just want to start up. No money.
so I'm going to everything. You know, if you say, look away, how you can use the help.
Yes, man. See him now. He may help him, but you have to pressure him. I don't like to pressure somebody. Yeah, help me. You see me?
Oh, wait there,
Me have to say, yo, help me out, bro. Help me on a deal thing, you know. He nah do it. You see me? But he will do it, you know. But you have to pressure him. Ask him.
but it's female stuff.
Just ask him and say,
What one?
the other part.
Yeah,
You have a Pepsi.
yeah, man, Pepsi is the best. You drink one a day, you feel good.
Oh, so you can buy 2 for you.
Huh?
You can buy 2.
Put that bar on the two, but I don't want to put no wallet.
But anyway, they are talking about all the communities that they want to kickstart with an
This is like that. Oh, where your business like that? Yeah, man.
No, me and Muda Dig.
But God is going to do it. So, what's going on over there? Hey,
Yeah, but split.
I'm going to help one. That's why.
Yeah, help me out. I if you have anything you just, or me can just help him out, save my money and make it right.
So, you don't know.
No, I'm not confused.
Me, I'm going to make sure it's there. We choose who really deserve the money. Because we
This one, man, you know me. I got school. I know about math. I know math. Math spread. 5 and 5 are 10. You see me? You know math.
them that easy math.
No, see that add more than the add and make money.
I have to tell us say 999 and 999 how much?
999.
Go back again.
Yes,
999 and 999 how much?
999. No, check me later. We need an orange juice to refresh the brain. Orange juice.
Yeah, I think you deserve one. But
Now, him not tell me answer, I'm just saying 999.
But I'll lend on the money. But I have to decide who me lend the money.
Because manage, me not tell a lie. Me know how to split profit and take out percentage and things.
Right, come on, know if the business have a good. You know, when we check it out, the business plan go good.
If you make
Power
$10,
Pepsi that,
you
you know.
split it.
Power
Can't split
Pepsi that,
everything.
yeah. 50, 50,
Or 60-40.
60, 40.
Because me I do most I work. Say 60-40. You good with that, no?
Wouldn't mind all the Pepsi. The Pepsi company should have given me a sponsor to me because every day we drink a Pepsi. Morning, noon, and
So you
night.
will help me out.
You can't tell me which one I'm not else to know. But I'll give 100 bucks to make sure so no monetize money. You understand?
You understand?
Right. So you have to just relax and enjoy yourself.
You will like him to interest in us now. Say if you pick me.
So why you can't pick me?
Yeah, in dinner,
We don't
you
need
explain
fair
now.
chat. We don't need fair chat about this so long. You don't know where I do a
You
thing.
will like get interested.
Make up
You
your
just
mind.
stand up and listen.
Just make up
Can
your
we
mind.
talk,
That's
talk,
all.
whoa, yeah.
Now close and say how we are dealing with you.
Yeah.
So why we need to be for this so long? We don't explain our close we are going to say, brother. Yeah, man. Let me tell you another story.
But no. So I went to bed. But Jesus Christ, look on all the house, look on the bed. Left all the window open so the support rain fall and come in and with all the bed. No man. That man I get fan bad tours. Look there, all the fan. All the fan he left on around up all the light bill and him know he can't pay. Look there. But no, me have to go find him.
That is the story. We have to organize ourselves now. But work. That's enough.
So wait there. I want me Francis, I want me cousin see me I come talk about what I know.
No, we don't have to tell you that thing when I come here.
So if me I come to my man, how you mean say what I know? Are you your man?
Yeah, done. But,
That's what I try to show you.
You want to talk to you about something?
now link here, but that.
Some kind of scare me one time for you know.
No, I say, come on,
Plug your foot.
I link there, yeah.
Jesus Christ.
I'm better in the heart.
That's what I'm telling about them company that especially got this.
How we are called that?
No, you can't see that boy.
You, Mr. Nobody.
Woman like you make no man can reach far, you know.
Whatever.
Yeah, whatever. It's a better I show you. As a woman control you too. You're mad, man. And that's why you give me money to pay the bills. That woman are going to nail me out. No, me I think about it. Let it go.
Brother, you give me money.
True, yeah, I sense, you know.
Yeah, me single him taken. Feel woman, he not go and give me nothing. Business now go run good.
Come on to mom, see how you're single. You know, mom don't so.
Don't worry about that, man. You know, see moms can't come here, so call me from a friend them where I reach.
Yeah, I feel no good luck, yeah, man. Cause right now, you all see woman come pulling me down there and thing and thing.
You come up and tell me about man. So I'm like, you business, that business, me I deal with it now.
All right. Now, make sure you get the money. All right. Yeah.
Boy, you the pan road, stand up and chat and ugly. I hold corner. Look on the place. I come back and come see place. Look, so you know, say bed is spread. People can come here at any time. You the pan road, cock up and chat and as that they look mix up one day see me I come talk about watch you again. Watch you again.
You just stay a whole reason, my friend.
A whole reason, so wait, hold on there. You for the pan road that whole reason. I know a woman them alone nasty and hopeless. I know woman them alone nasty and worthless.
So yes, I'm nasty.
Yeah, you're nasty and worthless because you're going to tell me, say, look on the place. The place look nice to you. You look right.
Come back with your deal with it.
But it look like, see that you get up out of the bed and you not spread it. So it seems like you don't even wash your face for a morning.
So I go out fast.
When none of them talk about woman big and nasty and worthless and them something there. What about no man?
Listen, just me come now, I go see what the
Look here. You need to find something because look here. I can't go to work me alone. I come in back, me have to clean, me have to cook, me have to wash. What kind of style that? No, you need to find something to talk because listen, one hand can't clap in this.
It's a month of time. I beg you. to go print my resume application for me. The more that time you ask for money. It's true, me not have it. And the more time I get more money from my uncle, so me pay my bill on a shop. That's why I never got no money to print the thing them. Yeah, no,
So that's
you
a
know, remember, so me ask so much time I say.
So I'm love you and
"Alright,
all of that,
I'm gonna
but no,
deal."
this I get from bad to worse now, because look at I saw you big and dunce and fool that you can go print your resume, your application letter.
I tell me we can't walk around my town, cause son at. To call his son at, when I walk goes
No,
up
sir, this
for it.
need crowd. This really need crowd because look at
You want me to get
look
blacker
on
than
place.
we be?
Blacker than where you be what? Find someone to sell some clothes, do something.
The virgin is I'm just attacked. The virgin say, he might give me a start. He might make me get some money so we can buy some things and sell them back. And that me dig rush out to go talk about virgin, you know. And that's why we forget to spread it.
Then not that if we talk about something because look at I'm me and you in this. Listen, so we together. And not because of now work or anything. I'm dead with you. 50-50 we in this. You understand?
Yeah, but me not like when I make it look like say.
Yeah,
Me
but
not try.
you never tell me all of them kind of stuff, yeah?
You know,
But you never tell me say, well, yeah, push out something, you go try something. I know you talk.
well, you say by tomorrow you make me know.
So what you want me to do?
I want if you just support me and stop pressure me. I say me nah do this and alright. So me nah sweep out the place or keep the place clean. Me go change. Me go try change your ways.
No, but baby, why me and feel pressure? You know, say, alright, but gone out there, I'm gonna work.
A woman right then.
No, but you dead home, you must can spread the bed, straighten up the place. You can't leave the window so because when the rain fall and the rain blow, you want. You understand?
Sorry about it.
Well, sorry for the way I'm doing with you.
So what's the right?
Well, everything was okay. Alright, stressing, but you know, I have you when I come home, give me a nice massage and.
I'm come back.
Yeah,
I go brush my teeth and wash my face.
You see me tell us say you don't do that for money, you see you.
I come.
Alright, and nobody go on the road next time without your face wash.
Alright.
Alright. So anyway.
Oh boy, yes.
Right, said. Wagwan.
Yeah, one, listen.
My approach your way one day, I'm sorry about all of that.
What do you heard today?
Yeah, because I come from a man and you know, my head the kind of.
Mr. Taylor gone come from yesterday. What do you have to me? Me see it. But we are talk.
Well, I'm sorry for what you. Sorry for all of what
I still
happened.
gone back on what
You know,
I
me
say
go down a
your head no
yard and
good.
things never right down there.
Your head no good.
No, me just go a yard
Adjust
and
me
things never
properly.
right.
You're
I'm
sorry for when?
tired and all of that.
No.
Tired for approach and call you mixed up on them something.
No. Adjust me properly. Because you say what do you not do me nothing. What do you not? Today you do me something.
I hope me do something today.
You're Disney on the road up there, so, and I bamboo tree. So,
Me this year.
yeah, adjust me properly now.
Wait no. Me I go tell you sorry for today, you know. But
Okay.
hold on now.
No business about what do you me talk about
Oh
today.
God. May I tell you sorry for all the things them what me do.
All right, apology
Everything.
accepted 4 times
Everything.
because that 4 times you do this. Why problem?
Boy, may I tell you. Someone here say you have some money and give me something. I want to tell you say look at. Am I money to give money?
Oh, listen to me now. You can't tell me how to give the money, you know. And me, I have to decide that for myself. You know, my bank teller, you know, my advisor, you know, my CEO or my corporate. Well, we then go and call me shut up my mouth.
You know, you say if I give my man the money, may I tell you the truth. And we invest in it.
No, listen to me.
We will make money.
You feel so?
Yes, sir.
So why you eager?
Why
Why you choose? I try your man. They cannot tell me that.
Look here. I just know my man. It's not because I'm a man.
So you just know your man.
Yeah.
It's not because of your man.
No, it's not because I'm a man.
So
And you will invest too.
Alright, put the next.
Things will happen for you.
What will happen for me?
You know?
No, me lost. What will happen for me?
All type of things. What you like.
Well, what me like? Alright.
In a woman, what you like, what you like, what you like.
Oh, in a woman. Well, me like everything in a woman. A clean heart, good-minded. It no matter. They could even have 1,000 picnic. We will still accept them. They could have all, we still accept them because listen, me, love. All people deserve love.
That is true, that is true.
It no
That
matter
is
where
so
you
true.
be. If me now take up a 70-year-old woman, you can't fall in love with her. Because she can do what a young girl can't do.
Well, me have all of what you need.
As young as we be now.
All of what you
No,
need, me
take
have it going on. You know, see, me have it locked.
You have it locked. Like it's
I'm
so
gonna have
like.
those picking and all of that.
Like it's so like. So what you try to tell me now?
So, what you like, you know,
What me like?
I come link me come link, you know, and then and
What you call it? Like wash, cook, clean.
just give me man the money and you will get some good action for your good behavior.
Oh, so if me give the man the money to deal with it, you will start me out.
Good.
Good. Sound reasonable. For
Me not do anything, no, but you see, if my man get there, me do anything for him.
all right.
Head, anything you want. Head,
Wow.
shoulder, foot, and toes.
Backside like that.
You like that? They know that ever tell me, man.
Yes.
So yeah, come go on some.
Eh?
So yeah, go on.
So, all right, yeah, I know.
For you see me cut, eh?
All right, yeah, I know. What do you do that? So I see you later. What
No,
do you
me no want a promise. Me no want an empty promise.
No, ma'am, I'll take care of that.
You don't want all of this?
Yes.
Look that.
Oh, yeah.
All of that. You know that bark, man, bark. Hey, doggy style up, you know. Are you see like that?
Yes.
You know?
Do it again. Jesus. Oh, God. Yes.
Sure.
Oh, God.
Say I want so. Run up in that it no. Jeez. You know that? Oh, you go want so. You come go on.
Rami styling. No worry. Make sure. Eh? Like that.
Look at, hey. Don't blackmail me, you know. Don't ramp with me.
No. Me not do blackmail, white mail me do.
White mail you do?
Yeah, mailing, straight white mailing. Me not do blackmailing.
Hey, and when you come, hey, don't leave your condom.
Don't leave me what?
Don't leave your condom. I
don't use them bullshit there because when them put in it.
But you look like your blood. It look like say you're mad dog, yeah. I breed you want to breed me?
No.
So what you expect me to tell my man?
I can't control my pipe. Me not lock it off. Don't worry, you see when I reach that level there, you will know. But
Well,
as we say, I know how to limit my pipe.
All when you can't control the pipe, don't leave the helmet. When you're going to war, what you do?
Helmet can't save you. You better take your time, go.
But you better protect your head.
Helmet can boast and murder you.
Cover your head.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
I will just stick to your promise.
Yeah.
I'm going to stick to mine.
Alright.
Oh, you're there.
I'm going to the shop and go.
Oh, God. My gosh, shop, but boy, I have to turn back.
Wow.
Good news, baby, good news. Good. You know, so me say Papa down the road.
Take time, come on, I can't run.
I can't take time. Right now, I run, come back up. I'm tired. So you know, say, me see him and I apologize to him and something. You you see him up the road and I disrespect him? Yes, so I apologize to him and something. Man. Me and him did the attack and him say you him go get the money.
Me?
Yes.
With you?
Yes.
Good. Thank you, Jesus.
He said you must get the money, baby.
I'm there, I worry about it, you see? Don't worry. That's a boy.
That's what I tell her all the time. Learn for prayer.
Yo.
Learn for prayer and read the Bible.
Pray. Me I brush my teeth now, man. God make him pick me. Because me the right one, me know to manage money. You understand?
I still to tell him.
You can't wait till tomorrow.
Say him not lose that for you.
You say not lose that?
No, me tell him say him not lose that for you.
Okay, right that. Yeah,
see,
pick up for me.
Then me no must have to pick up for
Like
my
that, oh, yeah,
but see, I have to pick up for my man.
Love that.
In everything.
Love that.
I tell him, I did it for you 50-50.
Love that, man, because the money them want go to town and get some underpants and shirt and a whole person to sell back. Yeah. More build up one little star like your people walk and see what me have and then buy.
And open one like a bank account and save your money.
Yeah. When I get in profit, that's so we can probably pay him back on money too. Me have everything like man in our brain. I think about everything, man. Thanks, man. Not like. I love you for
that's
that.
something I love my baby, so
I love you for that, man.
So although you make me miserable sometimes.
What about that, man? Come on, go walk a shower. Come
Yeah, go wash my back for me.
Yeah, me I go scrub your back. Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah, me I go wash out everything and pay your back.
Alright, come on.
You are going.
Oh God, there you know.
You cook.
Oh God, no, I'm not cook. I don't even know what I'm gonna eat.
I'll tell you where there's some just come from anyone papaya out there.
What's the product?
I'll put my bread in papaya when I remember papaya.
Brown one?
Yeah.
Oh. What am I
I
say?
remember papaya.
What am I say?
You say some money we out there chat about. You want help for them, me and my next bread in them. To buy some clothes and sell. But I talk about money, black people.
No, I'm papa. Now help you turn one time, you know.
No man, I want him to go help man, but I'm not my brethren to go buy clothes and sell, you know.
Yeah, and him a do it.
Yeah, but I don't mind Papa give me money and that. I hope and pray for him.
Yeah.
Papa give me money instead of mine.
Them always say, there's not no choice, no. You have to just ask God for you, look at and protect you. Doing that way, like, to put it in your hand. So the best thing we can tell you right now is just good on go pray. If you forget it, you're going to get it. So if you don't forget it, you just not forget it. You goodly forget it, and when you not get it, something go wrong. If you understand what I mean.
That's true.
So if you forget it, you're going to get it. But nobody rush the process for that. Because sometimes like, people are lending people bad money, you know. And everybody wants to see people good.
That's true. And a good idea for my next brethren have enough to buy clothes and sell, you know. Just hope and stick to that plan you to get the money.
And with that alone, I hope you remember you.
That's true.
God forbid him get the money and him just run off with him leave everybody buy clothes.
That's true, you're right. But anyways, I'll go over here.
Alright. And the right side is my phone.
Yeah.
Evelyn.
Evelyn, what?
Say I gotta can want to say Evelyn to me. Me know something.
Me know nothing.
So Evelyn.
But me really know something. Because me just to tell us, say, look here. Me hear say some money going in the go. So me want my man to get the money.
So that you have me a fact.
Yeah, me want my man to get the money.
Listen to me now, listen to me good. See, if you want your man to get the money, you go and go make your man get the money. Me and my man, alright. Here? Because yesterday, I look at him and I tell him, and say, you see, if you get the money, you go get the money. Do not rush nobody if you get no money. So if you want the money, you go and get the money. You don't need to come to me and tell me.
Want your man get the money because your man I go waste the money.
What do you mean by my man I go waste the money?
Yeah, your man I go waste the money because you see your man now. Every rum bar my pass are them see him.
Alright, let me tell you this now. You see my man, you might be seeing my every rum bar. But you see your man, him there every bridge. And then a bridge alone him there. Cause me know for sure say if him get that money there, and you and him done with pay a burger and pizza. Cause you see you big already. You got extra big if him get the money. Cause him never got members see your clothes him for buy and sell. So listen to me and listen to me good now. You see my man is quite alright.
Well, me only want to know say one partner get big. And that's the best part of it.
Where yeah.
Me say, me only want to know say the best part, not getting big.
Miss.
Instead I get big, it get closer.
You have me up because you want your man get the money.
Yeah, me want my man get the money and what?
Not what you say. Me not understand, you know.
So you see if my man not get the money then, it's just best to stay away from the money then. Yeah, your man.
It man
Yeah,
not even
understand?
sure Peter you go on. You don't even know if I your man or my man go get the money and look how
Me
you
don't
go on.
care. Me want my man get the money.
So, alright, you know
I'm
what?
gonna
If you
elevate
want your
himself.
man get money,
Yes.
you push your man to go look work. Instead of you push him to borrow money from people, which you don't even
It's
know
the
if he
same
even
thing.
go.
For
Yes,
your
come
information,
out of
girl,
my face.
it's the same
Back
thing.
up, back
If
up,
he
back
do
up,
get the
back
money,
up.
it's the same work.
Back up.
Or
Back up.
not.
Because therefore,
No, but look here, look here.
you don't
look
need
here.
to have me. But
Girl,
yeah,
but
right
look
now,
something.
me a good on go on my man, you know.
Yeah, you better
You
not
see,
stay away
money
from it because
business.
you know what? If you and your man don't stay away from that money, is either me have to go work some up or me have to go pay somebody to put a cap in him.
You are gonna work something up.
Yeah.
Or you pay somebody for, somebody for
Somebody
do it.
got to die.
Pay somebody for doing it. You want to be the first one to die?
All when me,
You want
all
to be
when
the
me
first
turn
one
my
to
back,
die?
girl, you can't
You
do me
want
nothing.
to be the
Me
first one to
say,
die?
all when me turn my back, you can't do me nothing up here today.
And even do me can't do nothing.
Yeah,
you
come
know.
talk.
I'm working and working. I'm gonna go on, my man.
One
right
in your
now.
yard. Nasty and what? See your man.
But so give them the right to say no. I'm telling you this right now. You see that little money business the way I'm talking, you know? Me want you come out here. Me talk to you. Me
Yeah,
want
man,
you come
sir.
out here. You understand? Load them with their money.
Why? What make? What
You
make?
mean what make? The little ugly, rough, dirty, rubbish truck. Me don't even know if it describe her so she molly and big and swarty. I bounce you and bounce me, you know? Bounce you and bounce me. I talk about, oh, a fear man to get money because she need burger and she need this and she need that. Come out, like people them money business. I don't business.
Why make? Why? You know?
You know what she said?
What?
She said if you get the money, she gonna pay a hitman to come kill you.
I like that.
Oh, like that. I know that. Take the money. You see,
I bet.
me I talk to you now. You see, if you take that money there, you're not see about this for the rest of your life. And I done me done. I done business. If you're poor, broke, suffering, I will stay. Instead of you borrow people things, I'm in a problem. You understand? Allow the people them and their money business.
But me, what we are gonna do?
We will start out it. Come on.
Oh God, this Charmaine.
What happened?
What's going on?
You alright?
Yeah, so far it was.
Yeah, man, I give it thanks.
Okay, yeah, we have a solution. You know me, a man like this. Anytime I borrow money, right? We always get extra. But it's not for me this time though. There are two friends who really want to help them, let them flourish their business and push it far. So the only way we can do that right now is for your help and your blessing. Just lend me the money so we can just give them it when they start out their business. That's all me ask for.
So how much so?
Well, about 350.
350?
Yeah,
Papa, I know you as a good man, you know.
right.
Me know you as a good man. And
Sure.
anytime me and you do business, you always pay me back with interest. So, me gonna help you. 350.
Right. That's...
Yeah, man, me can reach for that. Me can reach for that.
And nobody look back for no interest this time because my friend them still and them just a start.
No interest.
No man, remember normally we not get interest, but I know for me, you know, I'm a friend them I get. More help them to more rise them. For me business kind of up and I look slow down and listen. Me still I make me profit. But me not make the big work, you know. So
There you go.
what me I make, me I invest in our other business so me can give them that the money.
I love that.
So I remember saying, you're the lady you love, give charity and help. So I don't mind lend me back 100 more penny 350. Because one lady have been picking them and they now go to school. So me we put that out of my heart. And I start one charity fund still, you know. We help the kids them in the community. Because you have some of the rich people, you know. See them pay them money till
You
them
like
money
say
are
them
rotten.
gonna take you with them. True.
I see people in the area now go to school. You could never have them there.
No, me know you as a good man, you know.
Why me go have how much $1 million in the account? Non-touch. No matter what day party, non-touch.
If you do good man.
And see kids in a million. They have a pair of shoes to go to school.
Aye. You see?
And order only for them were cheap and give them. Me would have go around and take them foot size and buy them in a bunk.
Aye.
Only cheap. Not in the heart there.
Why?
If we the rich,
If there was
we help the
more
whole
people
community.
like you.
There's
If
no
there
more
was
people like me.
more.
Me I tell you, everybody heartless.
Mm-hmm.
Everybody think for themselves.
Mm-hmm.
Even husband and wife I think for themselves. Cause right now, every relationship have a secret account. Every relationship have a secret account.
I'm in a business with that, you know. But I know too much people are live for themselves. So when
Yeah,
they're
but
gone, I
me have
just
a
hit
problem
that.
though. A
What?
huge problem. I don't know which one of them to give the money.
What do you mean?
In my mind, like God talk to me, say if me give that one now the money, problem out there. The next mind I tell me, say me give that one the money, some issue go come up. So,
Money always cause people to have problems, you know, Popeye. It's supposed to be the answer, but more time.
I say, but
Why you not split it and get the two since it's a big food?
no, split it one. I got 350, and we go split it and say 175. This is 175. This it don't make no sense. No want them to join together. You see like how China join together.
Teamwork make the dream work.
That's how we got. You notice why someone will not make it in their life when they come out to business?
Crab in our bucket.
Right. If me come to you now, call say, me don't know you. I have this store, right? This is my store, right? So we practically almost have the same thing. But to get it cheaper, we have to come together and order it in a bulk.
And the most.
I'm going to come to you and say, Sister Charmaine, would you like to put XYZ and I put XYZ? I will just pay for the one container so it's cheaper for we. And we can everything. You're going to look at me and say, no. No. Me been always have my own container coming down. I'm alright, I'm quite fine. You know, look when they say cheaper, you know.
Or better, teamwork better
Right,
than
because you pay 100,000 for container come down. A 50, you don't pay now, that the 50 day you can start put on.
Aye, but them not see that, especially the young people, them not see that.
Mind. But I check, I think we chat too much now, though. I'll check it tomorrow.
So, what, 450 you say?
450. I'll check it tomorrow. Yeah?
Alright.
God bless.
This time, I not take the interest, you know, because good things you are going to do.
Right, God bless.
Check me after 10 tomorrow.
May your water basket never empty.
Hey, my basket ever full.
Right.
Alright, tomorrow.
Okay, no problem.
Alright.
Yeah.
Them babes. What we are doing? So we are doing, okay?
Oh, Papa, I'm wait for them.
You see, for me, I come down this, so, you know. You see, you know, say that man, the bad mind, babes. The people
Papa.
the bad mind. No, me not talk about Papa. No, Papa, you give me money.
Oh.
Me not talk about Papa. Me talk about Tibi and him big old dirty black horse worthless woman. That same one day, your friend.
Yeah, so I think TV never interested for me. I think you're interested in this right now.
What you mean saying not interested?
How we did you talk about the business and in barely I see nothing to stand up. No, I say no, I mean I do most of it, that's what I say.
So you saw me talk about and now them a come go like I say, I know you forget the money. So if him not interested, how him a go get the money?
Oh, who make you like that?
The girl said she not interested. She see me down the road and she beat me up. She would even know in since we see you me top holla.
Beat you up?
Yes, lick me all on my head. All on my head she beat me. Big stone and stick on them something.
Jesus. So which part in wheel up?
Right now, my head, me all over my body. Me can't. Me don't even have no special part to show you.
You know, so that money or cards problem is.
All over my body, I know me can't done fix my clothes the way how she raga me out. Big old dirty disgusting. You hear what she said?
No.
She said, oh, my big bloat up like some burger and all them something there. Me say, the girl cuss me out down the road, you know? She cuss me out, nothing left for she tell me.
Now I get the money and me I'll get it. Because me, I will make sure say me tell Papa what then them I do. I make sure say me tell Papa.
You sure?
Yeah. Because when we see her and I beat you and then pick war with you. Then sitting in the right over money. The money never share yet. We don't even know who I get here if we are even get none.
Right now, anyone me see her, me and her, The war
Just
not done yet. It's not done
the
yet.
fight.
It's not done yet. It's not done yet.
Because it's not necessary. You
She
understand?
just big and black and coarse and ugly so.
The war not necessary, right? Make them be the bad person. Make we be on the good side, on the safe side, right? So no matter what them a
So
kill
where
up
you going
themselves and whatever. Me I go to them, go make them
So you
know.
did sit down
So
yourself.
me I wait pan Papa, I'm there wait pan.
Mm.
That's why I come up and go sit down and meet him halfway. So me there wait
So
pan.
what you
But
say you
now,
gonna do?
me I go down there warn them and tell them say for left you alone. Cause me can't, me not like a problem. I like people who are grown and I make mischief. Me not like them something there.
I think you go beat the girl for me.
Beat her?
Yeah, me think you go beat her for me teach her a lesson.
Me and her in nothing, you know. Me
But
just I
that
go
not so you
make
fit
them know.
defend me.
Listen, I know me and her
Defend me,
in
just like
nothing.
how me I defend you, defend me.
Boy, you could have defend yourself. What you have done this
So if me could
great
have
for?
defend myself, she
Look how
would have
you
Philip me in my head
stay.
and beat me up all over my body and
You go, you could be taller than female man.
oh,
You make that little
Jesus
short
Christ.
girl like overpowered.
Well, she beat me.
Me go to them and warn them. And make them know that when they see you, they feel leave you alone.
Alright, so me
Yeah.
I go up the road. Soon
Well,
come.
over here you go.
Yes.
Oh.
Eh.
Because I got.
Want
Okay.
Glad, so glad me see you.
Okay.
You know see my boyfriend?
Well,
So me just see my man down this so.
I'm gonna see me pass long time go to comedy to my friend on the road there and talk to her about something. We go up so and come back down. But me show me tired, me tap you some problem. Show me tap you some and I'll get it seen there so.
Oh. So you know me about it, you know me tell about it.
Oh! Is it serious about that?
So what kind of question do you ask me? Me serious, me the most serious? You know
Alright,
hear me say anything to me man?
Yeah, no.
Mm-hmm.
We are think first because we'll get the money tomorrow. So that's
Here
why
you
we
go
on top.
again.
Huh?
Here you go. You know hear me say me don't want them people to get the money. Right now them bad mind me. You know say the boy woman see me on road and beat me the other day. Beat me. Right now she beat me.
Right, you know. Just a while ago.
In my head, all over my body. She beat me all over right now. Me
We
can't.
don't believe that. We don't believe that she had a fight, you know.
What you mean say you don't believe so she
That
that
they
fight
look
me?
that they look short
She look innocent.
She can't
All I
fight
call me all lampshade and then sitting there. Eh? That the girl there?
Why?
Yeah, I need that one.
This me I run from now, you know.
I say so me I tell for my man and for my man no believe me.
Fighting over the money.
Now me
business,
come
me
and
don't
tell
like
you and you no believe me.
I kind of believe you in a way, but I don't want to fully believe you because...
How?
Huh?
How?
Because in life you have to know what you do.
You know me no like how you going. You look like you know want to give me man the money there, you know.
Why you feel like me don't want to give money money?
Yes, because I asked you. You remember what did you here what you can tell me now? You are gonna think about it. Remember I know what they tell me say I think about it now. Yes, you agree. So how now you go back out of the deal?
Me don't want to jump to confusion and then me go say later me go say, oh boy, me wrong and this and that. I don't want to do that. You understand?
You ever hear them say? Let me tell you. You ever hear them say? You have a saying to say, friend, fuck.
Oh, friend, right, friend. Okay, me understand. Me
Right.
understand. Yeah.
So how you go answer?
All right. But must start out that for you. Don't worry.
That no sound right either. That no sound right either. That no sound
No,
right.
relax, no,
Come
man.
good, come
Where you
good.
think
Come better than that. Come better than that. Come down better than that. Come I for sure say my man I go get the money.
All right, me I'll give him the money. Yeah.
Mind that girl they right there ready for that money there, you know.
No.
So you go answer.
Yeah, only one approach me. Relax, no, man.
You know say money I play
All
with
right,
me now. You ticklish me now, you know.
She get the money.
Play with me
you
now.
Get the money. You get the money.
No, you hear what you say a while ago? She get the money.
No, me no mean she. Me get that man. Him get the money. Him have to get the
You
money.
know you play with me.
But check him right now.
Me
I
don't
see the
play no.
problem
Me no
first,
play.
and then.
Me no play. Me love the roughness. Me no play.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? So you don't like all the way you see.
Shake your bumper
So yeah,
again.
come go like.
Shake your bumper.
Oh yeah, come go like.
Girl, make your body jump. You're too stiff. Move the man,
Make it
jump.
stay, make it jump. I'm gonna show you how to
Make your body-
ride it. I'm gonna go down on it and sit down on it and ride it for you. You like that?
Bomba!
Boy.
You
See you back out from me. You miss out. If you back out, you're gonna miss out on all of this.
When me dey pan me no want back out, me want stay in. You think I back, me want back out, me want stay in.
When you better stay
You know say, stand up in night till daylight. Me no want stand up in night till daylight. Want lay down in night till daylight. After me talk, lay down in night till daylight. Woohoo!
Open up your mouth talk in the yard. Yeah. Touch it again.
Yeah,
Yeah. So who open up fool you there and fool me up enough?
No man, when me done with it, you're gonna slim. You're gonna slim when me done with it.
Yeah, come on, slim. So you better do.
No, proud of your shape.
Because
No
she
man,
call
I'm
me
proud
stuffed
to slim.
burger. She
Yeah?
call me burger down there.
No,
Big
any-
burger.
no.
So me want to
Me
forget
teach you something. You're proud of your shape no matter what. And God make you.
You know that?
God bring you here for a reason.
That's something about that whole
No
argument.
problem. If you have a barracuda, I'm in a business.
Me no business.
Because I still alive.
When
Me a
done-
eat and me a drink. I don't give a damn.
Hold on.
Barracudas, they live too.
When
Only
we done, you
some
go
dead.
turn lobster.
Eh?
That's how people love lobster.
No, nobody go this stuff. Nobody turn lobster. Cause
So
lobster
you come
juicy
go like you
juicy.
want back out farm and stuff.
No, no worry. Do it.
Nobody back up
Really.
for me, you know.
We're gonna check your boyfriend. Really.
Well,
All right. Yeah.
Oh, I hope your mouth nobody miss.
No,
I
no,
hope you
no.
not have this on your mind. and
No, man. Don't worry about
Oh,
that.
you nobody miss you know. You
No
go call
worry
me
about
name
that.
to him. Alright.
All right.
So we'll get something to cook now.
Are you me and look for you?
Who?
Oh, you ever seen a woman become fight a woman go over money, dog?
A
mean,
fear
a
woman,
best friend, bro.
fear woman a fighter, female woman and a cuss me woman like show and bong side.
Let me
The
tell you
woman
something.
say she come to her with big stone and sitting there to fight her off and bow. And my man forget the money. Your man and
You can't make me talk?
My
And I
woman
come call me woman beef burger.
Enough yet.
Eh?
Beef
Come
burger.
call me. If you
I know you make me know so she like beef burger.
Huh?
You know you make me know so she favorite beef burger. Listen to me, listen to your quote.
If my favorite beef burger,
I going about my business and I say evil into your piece of dumb chuck. And your dumb chuck, I go walk and want bounce me and did want push
Yes,
war.
you see that them and say, hey, woman, this.
You not understand me,
Explain. She not a pick fight.
I know.
Listen to me. Wanna keep the money, you hear? Wanna keep the money. He don't need the money. He don't need it. Because the woman gonna say if him get the money, she gonna pay a hitman to analyze him. Listen. I that your woman say.
Never said
I just
my woman never said that. So stop telling them dangerous lie upon my woman. Stop them something there. Over little money we don't even know which one we are get the money yet.
Why you not tell him say? Why you not tell him say you want the money more? And yet your woman say him no get the money and you have to get the money. Let me talk. Let me talk.
That your woman
Your
said.
woman see me on the road, right? I'm say Evelyn, she did not answer. Some say me in a something. She said no, but me I go in a something because my man forget the money. I don't business for what record me. I recording me. I don't give a flying. Okay. You see a woman? You need to put a leash on her because she's like a Lego dog.
Put a leash on she.
Come here.
Put a leash on she because of our little money. You make me fall out of our money, dog. Eh? We can't believe you send a woman to come do the thing to my woman. And for me, I say, I good you. If me even get it, me I go boss up on a thing. And I then say, yeah, come on. Recording.
Yes, Lord of mercy.
Oh, right. Somebody look here. No, that's my morning. I look here.
Oh, me see a woman or two.
Morning. Yeah, look here.
Where are you looking for?
You know, say the boy Tilly and his woman I grow and I create mischief with the woman.
I tell you,
And I
man, for them
beat
say them beat
the
up your
woman
too.
and sit.
Over the money, and the money not issue out yet.
True what?
And the money not issue out yet, and the along so.
Imagine if the money is short when I was dead. When I was pronounced.
Boy, I tell you so.
Here, come record them. You know. I record them. Here. Because I don't want nobody say me a grow and I tell a lie.
So the along?
And for sure me if you get the money.
Alright, you what?
And me if you give the money if you do it right.
I'm going to give the money tomorrow. You have the right somebody.
Exactly.
Because you see, me no want to put
Exactly, me right somebody.
right, because I no want to put it in a freedom hand.
Thank you, Father.
And the woman going to mouth because the woman sound fiery there, so
and him love go run back to my friend and I want to tell him but now him love go run back.
Taking about
A pay
7
run bar in love go.
then
Then good be go run back go spend out the money for a girl.
You have a point.
And me not spend my money
350,000
for my woman.
350,000
work, you know.
Oh, good. 350,000 can start to note and
What you mean?
upgrade.
What you mean?
Right.
See that. Let me make back triple that.
Me only want to know
Me
that.
make back triple times that.
Me only
When
want
me
to know.
start sell good quality clothes, everybody go on buy clothes from me.
Right.
When me start sell clothes.
Anyway, we are good on the road there, so tomorrow
Mm.
we meet me at Chesterfield.
Oh, that
1 o'clock.
tree.
No, you can meet me right at 1 o'clock.
Alright.
Get the money. Don't mess up enough.
Yeah man, me I did it right pan time.
Alright.
Right pan time me I did it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Thank you God. You go tell mommy good news them no. Yes, yeah. Get up. Good news.
Good news how happen now.
Good news. Me I
So you
get the
just come
money
and wake me up
tomorrow.
start frying my son.
Me I get the money tomorrow. Hey, look up in that place. Meet the papa and talk to papa and tell him what I want to them beat up and everything. And he said, so for me to marry get to the money tomorrow. 350,000. Me I get tomorrow. Me go just get 50,000. You start out yourself and the rest, me do what me need to do with it.
And then some them love here. Then some them
Yeah,
want
man.
here.
Thank you, Father God. Thank you.
Man, me know you have to get
Thank
the but say me know you have to get the money.
Yeah, we need
and
to
then
know,
the
man.
some them want here.
Me love that.
So you say I go do it, you know?
No, me I start a business. I'm very 100% sure about the clothes business as yet, but me know me I gotta do a
You
business.
tell me say I go do clothes.
Me
So you
gotta
go
do a
tell me or you go change your
That's
mind
the
now?
me go do a business. Business come and money go come. Can me tell him say me go triple the money. So you know when the money triple, he can get back his money and me can have money. So me go start have money himself.
You tell me say you go sell some clothes and something and
Yeah, man, that me
expect
go
you
do.
to get
That me go do.
You know say me, you know say you don't know your mind. You know say you
That we go
don't.
do.
You don't know your mind now.
But though you just need to know what you are going to do with 50,000, right? Just need to know that part. I go all a bit.
So hold on here. So I can't invest my $50,000 in a year.
Do anything you want with the man there.
Well, adapt me one here. What gonna be that do you do, man? Adapt me one. Well, adapt me one here. Adapt me one here because what? Girl. Well, Papa is sick for this as well. Adapt me one here. Well, that's for the people down. To fix up yourself,
Time for work and look for it. Oh, hello.
You know something I had me go.
Me
Oh God, I feel yo. Me like how you carry up the place.
have to.
And them big dogs they come like feed them when night time come.
Hey,
Hey.
I'm a soldier, them, you know.
We say last night I walk past the wall. I'm only not how the dog go to me I walk past.
Them smelly
the
pants.
cheesy dog we come to.
No, cause anyhow them did get out of me, no one pay the 5
But you
million.
make the dog used to me though. Because anything happens to you, I go over the go.
Well, them have sense still.
So,
But all the same, I know that me I walk and look for you for. May I try phone you? May I phone you
Power.
in a message? Oh, what's up? I don't
no, we not no service. We have to put on data right now. We not no service.
Oh,
And the Wi-Fi we didn't use last night to know, but come down and then we go somewhere. Somebody really have no connections to it. So that's
oh,
the name. Get me.
because me I wonder. Because I send you the thing.
You send it?
Yes, I mean, no, send the time you always send a message back and acknowledge. I mean, I hear from you.
Alright.
So me I wonder.
What boom. Get the credit.
Check.
Hold on. Let me put on the plan. Let me put on the plan first. Hold on.
All right, because a lot of money, you know. So I want to know say it reached the right account.
Alright, put on it. Turn on data. Alright, keep on time. Let's see if I load up.
Yeah, man, me know how the buffering go. In 2025, I still a buffer.
I see a name jump up, but I see that's the way I send it yet. That's a good morning. Yeah, very nice.
That me I talk. But that me know me normally get.
May your food basket never empty. Father God, as I come here today, my friend never fail me no matter what. The first, I always borrow small money, but the first I have to borrow big money from my friend and get the big money without have any problem, Father God. I ask you to protect her in the name of Jesus. You're wonderful. You're a wonderful friend. Telling you, very wonderful.
It's true, me know say you're going to good with it.
Yeah, but right now, this I owe me a gift.
Okay.
That he took it because the thing said, he will deal with it better. Because the other boy, he said, well, I cost, you know. He might cost about the money.
So it's a good thing, you know, now that you give him the money and then get that.
Right, that's that never do. I am giving it to Tucker.
Do right, you do right.
So, we thank you.
You're
And I link you in 2 days' time to give you the good news. Tell you how them business go.
Yes, I want to know. All right, blessed love.
And thank you. I'm going to come at church. Let's start from at church.
All right.
The reason why we didn't really, let me tell you the truth. The reason why we didn't talk come there still, we didn't like Pastor Dirty style. The first Sunday we go, Pastor was very loud, right? I me feel the spirit. He was shouting. Second Sunday we go, Pastor was preaching loud, right? But me sit down and when we reach home, me ping pong and I realize I'm study what I want. You know what happened?
Yeah.
The first Sunday when we did it, the collection plate was enough. It was plenty money till all money drop a ground. Pastor jump and shout. I mean in a spirit, you know? That tells me in a mood.
Feel it.
But the second Sunday when I'm in a mood and I'm preaching more, I realize because about few people jumping on the house. That's why I need to preach so low. And you know what make it worse? It's the third Sunday. We tell Pastor there's something they do, you know. The Sunday when he preach low. The thing say, Sister Ben, man, have HIV and Sister Ben and the sister. I'm here, Pastor, preach, but yes, you are some of them. Come to church and go like them a Christian. And I shoot man, and I give man H.
Lord God, me remember that one, you know. But me never know it was so close to home.
I hit in the chat, but you know you're the worst part I hit.
More?
Sister Bev and Pastor do it too, and Sister Bev and preach to Pastor, so that means the Pastor have it too. That's why I say want to come to church. Because I'm here to take the mic there, I'm going to preach and say, yes, you're some of them pastor, yeah. When they tell them people business, then come to church, come preach it. But then a church for them business. So then do the same thing to the same person and catch the edge.
Oi. And that time church would have had me now miss that this Sunday.
Me and him.
Later.
I see you.
Alright, continue to good.
Yes.
Bam, bam.
Alright. You reach on
How
time.
long
You
we
like
there?
that.
Early,
You reach on time, man.
early we there.
Yeah, early there?
Hey man,
Lord, you're a good boy then, man. You make your
early
business
come here and
flourish.
say,
You
I
know?
want to hurry up, go downtown. So we can get some things.
Alright. I see my account.
Oh, and the cash.
No, man, I see
I
it.
see him account, man.
See my account.
Hurry account. Here account.
Alright, yes. Make sure not be proud.
Yeah, man.
Not be proud. Alright.
That's money that there. Where's
Don't
that
worry,
tree?
don't worry about what me having in my account. Worry about the 250. Make sure I say you do something good with it.
Alright.
Good. Same. We can go out on early morning.
Early, bright and early, me and Shubot.
Start
As
with the
early as
thing.
it is, we gone.
I tell Sister Charmaine, say, in a 2 days to 3 days time, we'll show our progress. We don't want,
Two so fast?
huh?
About 2 weeks, man. Alright, so.
2 weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks.
Well, true. Because in a few days, you open up in our business, I might
Yeah.
function.
You know, like that car so fast. And if you do kick off, it does slow down. I say, me do business already.
Yeah, but when they do
No
cheap and
business.
clean, you make more money.
Yeah.
Just if you buy something for $100 for sell back, just sell it for you 110 or 120. You don't follow them people,
Don't
you
make
add
a
on
profit.
300 panic.
It's true.
You make back profit.
I do that,
You
man.
add your fear and everything right. So,
Yes.
me I go up the road there.
Yes,
No matter
God.
what, me I go in there later
Thank you,
because
Father God. Yo, this is start to greatness.
so you and TV just go there tomorrow. Go deal
Eh?
with it.
Me and TV,
Yeah, we go deal with it.
then me alone.
No man, I told her work, but I didn't and put the money in there. So I'm talk to him.
Alright.
Yeah.
Me just talk to him.
Yeah, I may go to right now.
And TV. You think I'm me alone at the other thing.
Alright.
Yeah man, yeah, alright man. What a couple them, nice couple, yeah man.
How are
Me, what happened? What they are still in there?
How are we here?
From the voice note.
What is it here? You know, you're part of me saying for record, if you my record, because me know I'm a
No, me not
record.
hear that part.
Oh, we have to ask about that part
But
then.
me still forgive you, no stay away.
Forgive me for what?
It don't matter really what, cause I'm a friend and Tug I'm a friend.
So yeah, you want to go on as on a friendship, him no need on a friendship, him alright with me alone.
So you will control your man.
Yes. Because I'm not gonna make nobody kill him over no money.
Listen me. Remember say we know each other and we want to soon rise up. That's all we good. We want soon to make money.
You think we're gonna make money when you all you're gonna give one money, you expect say one we are gonna share it equally?
No, they have to share equally.
How much money you give him?
350,000.
How much he talk? How much certificate?
No, they just make up, they just buy up the clothes and with him. Buy everything in him. At least if you 10,000 out of buy food to go. Go out town and pay them fare.
So when he close them said how much he might get? 50, 30, 20, how much?
No. Yeah, I'm gonna teach you something.
Therefore, make it stay. As I said to you already, baby, make them stay with their money.
Yeah man.
We're done. We
No,
don't really
listen what
need
I
it.
said. Check Tugger man. Just check in my morning and get a book and pen and write down all the things they will buy.
Listen what I say? Load them with them money. Load them alone. That's all me have to say to you. We don't need the money. We alright.
You sure?
Yeah, we alright.
Me,
Hmm?
you know, think if you link Tugger tomorrow for real, give him one chance.
Yes, right.
Hey, yo, how much you say a game? How much you say a game?
350.
Alright, you said 350, right? So boy, no go link Tugger till I say 20 in there.
No, Tugger can't tell
You
me.
know tell him
Now
that.
give him a chance.
Alright, it depends on your own if not nothing to
Now
you.
link him
Come
tomorrow,
on.
alright. Yes.
We get the money. We get the money.
Oh, come if I did anything, me say, actually you don't know you're frightened of me.
We get the money.
You get the money.
The money.
You know you're frightened of me? If I did anything, you say when I look in your back, you see me see it.
We get the money, you
Yeah.
know. Me not bother
Wait.
Me not bother give 50,000, me give 100,000.
100?
Yes, 100,000.
Oh, my man love it. I just have to say it.
100,000 me a spend for you, babe.
So-
invest in anything where you want. Just invest it. You understand? Can't believe it. Thank you, Father God. Because we know God love me, you know. God love me. But God, thank you for that blessing, man. It's a big, big start, man. Thank you. Amen.
So hold on.
Because we don't want the money dead money.
Oh, me, I consider now. So, you know, can I invest in a one little vehicle, a one little drive, so we can move around and something?
Alright, wait. We get a good idea, babe. Wait, don't move, you know. Wait, we get that good idea.
Alright, me I go and post to look up. Aye, one later.
Yo, where are they? Yo, are you just going taking away? On
the road, me that go, but me glad you can't check me now, you know.
You remember my bike you tell me about?
Yes, so that me I tell you, so me glad you can't check me. Think you change your mind, you know?
No, me not change my mind.
My brother still have the bike I sell, you know?
Me have some money, I know. I have some money I want to buy.
But I want 70 that I sell it fine.
Yes.
But you are going. You see, if you give me 30,000 right now, me make you get the bike right now. Where say your money?
Alright, yo. Follow me go a machine and me draw 30,000 gear.
No, you see if you go a machine and now, you go give me 5,000 because me I go wait down the
No worry about that, man. No worry about me. I go get. So if you get 35
right.
plus how much?
And if we spend no long time down there, you have to add another 5 penny.
No about money, me have money I know. You understand me? I want to start one business. Me have money I deal with.
All the key dog give me already and I have everything, you know. You see, if you want to hold the key on your pants now, you have to give me 2,000.
So everything you charge me?
No, not charge, but remember, say you not pay man for your bike. So but me give you go away with it.
See, me not go away, you don't know me. Everybody know me already.
2,000 have to put it on your pants.
Alright, no worries.
Come in. We don't have time to wait.
Come in. Don't have machine.
Watch it, man. If your bike clean and my foot dirty. Watch me wash off the bike a while ago in the yard.
Clean.
Watch out. One press, you know? One press, watch out. Button start. Light, everything I work. Yeah, man. Everything active.
Oh, me say me big gear juice money.
Yeah, man, cause me I'll wash your face, man. Yo.
Let's put this in your pocket, man. Let's steam the thing.
Alright.
Yeah, when I watch it.
Alright, when I watch something, cause you do good. You transfer money in our account.
Yeah, man.
You see me, everything right.
Look.
You good, man. Fit.
So, where papers in it?
Papers, I'm gonna tell you what you have to do now. You see papers now, you have to go down a tax office. A tax office deal with papers.
When me get tearing.
No, listen to me, you have to go down a tax office. Show them the bike. You see me? When you show them the bike, they will give you the papers. So they want to see you own it.
Bike.
Yeah, so they want to see you own it. So they will give you a title. And you sign the title. So now boy can't come say to give you back.
Yeah.
Because
like
fear.
Everything legit.
Title, everything.
Like everything.
Your name upon the title.
Yeah.
So you have title for your land. And government can't take your bike.
Yeah.
So you have title for your bike. Papers, everything for you.
What is it? Take a
Alarm this man.
Oh, alarm.
Yeah, alarm that man.
Oh.
Yeah man, you can take your time and go on, man, and learn.
So that's good on there and tell them say I feel me bike.
Yeah man.
Let me get the papers.
Then get papers.
Alright. Yeah man. Now take me look at time go.
Yeah man, I'm not dropping you now.
No sir.
Yeah man.
Nah, just
If you not tell nobody say I miss selling, you not tell nobody, you see me car.
no,
Nobody knows me have them a deal.
Oh no. Oh.
The boy if you find no other client still but not tell them say me, you know?
Alright.
Yeah.
Shop, you know they get shop.
Yeah. Good day, man. Let's say, get the things them sort out. You buy clothes them.
No bro.
So, how I go on?
No bother with that. Get a bike.
Get a bike.
Yeah bro.
But bro, that's not my plan to get a bike. Now clothes if say we are going to buy with the money.
Get a bike bro. Buy a drink.
Yo, me don't want that bad man. Me don't want that.
Get which drink? Out of so much money? Yeah, call up for me. How much that?
Buy a drink, bro, 4 grand.
Well, better, me now, do I close them there?
Me no buy no clothes, bro. Me just get a bike, so me I go run so taxi and things.
So how for me money I go?
You never tell me about you, tell me about me, say me in charge and me a do things and me I go pay him back and everything.
Bad man, I'm
kind of work for your part of money.
You know say that I go switch up, you know.
Who switch up?
No,
I a woman deal with me bad, you know. I a woman. Yeah, make a woman take control and a these people and a these people certain way. So I hear a woman taking.
Brother, you get the money for buy clothes and brother and sell.
Look, can you say buy clean, bro?
You see, say buy clean, brother, but how me I get for the percentage? You go run the taxi and give me something out there.
But you mad? Me forgot to your son and give a percentage out of what me make. You must say mad.
So Papa never give you the money, brother,
Papa, oi. Rephrase it. Papa give me the money. You know, we.
But you get the money, yes. But I have to buy clothes and brother. The clothes and things we feel
sell. Then me buy a juice, bro. Buy a juice. That's what I'm
bro, brother, what is
that? I will make some money on one thing. If anything,
you give me back something to come weekend.
Give back something. I don't depend on give back something. I might buy this, bro.
How type business and this alone me get?
No business not be there for me and you. Take that off him. My thing this.
You don't say anytime you see Papa I don't know what him about it.
I'm not busy what you want to tell Papa. Me don't get the money.
Oh, Sister Charmaine.
How are you?
You know something here, nigga? Why? We need to get some of them down there. Me say, between me and when they go there, I say, Sister, now we must took down the gates.
That's so then dangerous.
And I must calm and I look at them and by the time you come to Sister Charmaine, I say, I'm sorry, you know. Imagine if I did one teeth. I may go over there and mince up.
Especially the little man one talawa.
Me no! Like an idiot. Never know say I want to secret to a spot I had. Me no go to
no, me want you already.
Me see one of them move. Somebody say, yes, me win the fight. You see when me look round? And the dog that I come grab me from me, jump on your gate.
Tully and Talawa, they work as a team.
When me jump on your gate, I realize the dog they can jump up on the gate too.
Yes, I'm a jumping dog.
And the fastest me ever run. See there, all this bus.
Oh God, oh
see there,
well, if you never fast, it wouldn't happen to you, I warn you.
No, you need to train the dog them to get used to me.
No, them not get used to them, only get used to me and who feed them and who look after them. Them not get used to no strangers. No, me train my, what would be the point of having guard dogs and then go up and lick everybody hand and friendly with everybody?
Suppose anything happen to you over there. Suppose you drop down and then me and you only walk.
Well, my dog them have sense. Because they know you tease them and then they will bite you, they just warn you.
Okay, I don't want to come back and we could have bite me. But anyway, you give you the money as we say. They're supposed to get told to come down. Because it's in the early morning they don't shop by now or so. We give them the 50,000 they can pay them fare and buy food. Right? Which you contemplate and them cost over the money already, you know. So we know we don't have a problem. I don't like when time China work together.
No, that's why we can't reach far. So we don't work together.
Well, I'll check them still. I'm looking more. Give the heads up. Give me give good news.
Alright, I'll be waiting. I want to hear.
Good news, man. That's good news. That's prayer say I know nothing bad.
Yeah, my prayers.
And remember the 100 we lend still? Funny 350. I go and repay the 100 2 times.
Wow!
Yes.
I love that.
You see the people that want me help? They need rich.
Okay.
Testing the limit of people, I mean, never know.
Oh.
So the woman look at me and say, right, I bless your son because you're kind-hearted. So give me 1.5.
Wow.
Yes.
Nice.
So me clear the $1 million with me home. Me have 500 left, so I'll get 200, I'll get 200 per 100, so I'll left back with 200.
I love that. That's why I invest in you. I invest in my people.
Alright.
Alright. Bless.
Alright, bless.
Blessings. You're
Alright,
doing a
so
good job.
Yeah, man, my daughter call me, alright.
Alright.
So early in the morning.
Right, I'm stressed out there.
What's stressed out?
I'm going to link Papa and Papa tell me something to link to you. That I talk after my virgin and I tell about the money because Papa give me money over there. And when me look, a bike man buy. Give me all $4,000.
What do you mean you buy bike?
The man no buy no clothes, the man buy bike.
Oh,
Same
see? I'm telling you no. I'm telling you, leave the people in money business alone. How much you buy?
210.
How much you get? So, no money left for buy clothes.
Like me I say,
So Papa know about that?
me not know yet.
That's not right, you know, see? Something is something. But me did tell you, say, no, them and them money business. God will make a way for we. So, yeah, when me I go on the road, me so come. If I see Papa, I make you know what they do.
Boy, I tell you from my youth. Man go really go buy bike and a clothes, we get the money to buy youth. Why man do me that? Better man betray me, bro.
Oh God, imagine.
Oh, my big friend. You may come to see you, no?
Alright.
I'll come see you out here, so. See you now, see? Thanks for something.
Yes.
So you church outside, what do you?
I'm tired, man. You know
What tired you?
yesterday me come see you.
Well, you better not tired now. You better not tired now.
I'm not tired.
I saw my complicated because my man get some and give me $100,000. I feel good. I feel strong in my man in here. So I go.
So what I mean? Then I buy a clothes. How you find time get 100,000? I said quickly profit I
So
go.
hold on there.
I think by yesterday and time profit.
So you think all of this, you don't think me I forget Michael? You don't think me I forget
I
Michael?
wish you. To be woman. Oh, God.
So she have her phone so. Check it out.
Come here, video, yo.
Sure.
If you worry.
Evidence.
Evidence, sure.
Yes. So, you have Fatty a link.
I'm buy a link.
That's why you give Fatty man the money. And him turn around and buy a bike. Him not buy no clothes.
Buy which bike?
Him not go town. The whole day Tibi a walk up and down and look female sturdy. Her man buy a bike with the money.
What you know about me and my man?
Like that.
Mama, what you don't know a stinker road?
Not like that.
What you don't know a stinker road?
But say,
This and video you know, I'm my evidence. So you don't like you have Fatty in a business. I say you take the money and give Fatty man.
then you have business.
You look like me and him in a business?
You blind?
What kind of business?
I don't know if you're promising some my underbelly fee in give man the money.
No worry about my underbelly. Don't worry about that. Good the shelter.
Well, I'm going right to so.
Last your fault.
Yeah, I go last. But anyway,
Me
so my
last.
evidence
What
this.
you mean by buy bike with the money when me borrow?
Alright.
To the invest.
Papa, yes, him buy a bike.
I like.
Him buy a bike. But
Yes, my man tell me. Early this morning, my man wake me up and say,
don't worry
"Yes,
about that. Everything else.
I see
alright.
the youth with a bike, a brand new, like a 250.
We are going to invest the $100,000 when we have. No worry yourself. It's still a
Where
good.
is hold on there. Refresh my brain there now, because right now it seems like in the 100,000 I change it at 50.
Yes.
The bike I did 210. 210.
So you can't sell back? We not can sell it back?
Mama,
What we are going to get for go around and sell the clothes them and all them something there? That means
so when you buy a bike out of 250,000 and give you 100,000 for what? You don't deserve 100,000
Why? Me not look like me deserve it? Me a
No.
what?
You favor the elephant, they will last now bush.
Jesus Christ in heaven, my God. Are you the man? Are you the man?
And waste 100,000 for you when they should have make money together.
Anyways, you're such
You know,
a
so
dumb
that
little
man, yeah?
fellow. I'll see you next time.
You go and look at you mix up liar and crosses. I don't know where you come here so far. You listen to her?
Come give me back the 100,000.
No, me not give back, you know. Me just not get it back. Get it back. Oh. Oh.
Me need back the 100,000 where your man put in your hand.
So what about what plan?
Me no want nothing. I never want nothing. I never did want him with that.
No, you're not back out of your deal right now because it's going to get real messy and nasty around here.
For you.
For you. For you.
I'm not a pig.
For you because he is a betrayer. You know what? You don't want them to know say you. Yeah. You betray your friend them for pum pum.
Me betray my friend for pum pum. Did I enter your pum pum?
You backstab them.
Did I enter there?
Don't worry yourself.
You know.
Time will tell.
Answer my question.
Me.
Time will tell. Move from yourself with a little duck shape self. You feel what?
You're mad over it though.
Mad over what? You feel a turkey when turkey no stuff.